Hello, my name is Alex War, and I am currently in week 7 of the Backend Software Development course at Promineo Tech. This week we started in MySQL, and this week has been mostly about understanding the functions of MySQL Workbench, dbeaver, and combining SQL and Java code through the Maven functions in Eclipse. This week's assignment was kind of just several tasks that we needed to complete, and I'll kind of just go through those and what I did for that. So the first thing we needed to do was create a schema named projects. As you can see here, I did that. We also needed to create, I'm already in here, users, a user for projects, which includes a password and also all of the privileges that it would need. We then moved over to Eclipse to use the Maven capabilities, and we created a project, a Maven project called MySQL-Java. Now, since the courseware had also required a MySQL.java, this is the MySQL or -java homework. Now that required us building several packages or a single package and several sub packages with some classes and methods within that. So we've got an app, which, as you can see, simply just calls one of the other classes, which is this one. And that basically calls or makes a connection between Java and MySQL so that you can properly communicate from your app to the database that you'll be using. Because it could potentially throw an exception, we had to create a class within a sub package that was an exception. And we also needed to set up the proper configuration to include dependencies, the configurations, and the and the properties, which includes the Java version. The app, when run, now you can see I've already run it, but I'll run it again just for demonstrative purposes. Says successfully obtained connection. So we went through, and this fed it the proper URI, and because it didn't pull an error, it went to successfully obtained a connection. If it had pulled an error, it would have thrown this exception, which pulls a runtime exception. Pretty simple. Again, this is just the beginning of SQL, but you know, we've been learning the basic functions so that we can actually successfully draw from databases and add to databases through our Java coding. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.